I'm Phil Munkos, realtor in Houston. I'm going over the Pearland, Texas real estate market today. We're looking at the first quarter of 2023, and we're going to compare it to the fourth quarter of 2022 as well as the first quarter of 2022 to see quarter over quarter comparisons and year over year comparisons. I added Iowa Colony and Manvel to this as well because a lot of the new construction that's kind of sort of considered Pearland is in those two cities. That's how it's listed in the MLS. So I included those cities as well. Yeah, and then I did a bunch of all the major areas in Fort Bend County as well. If you want to check out those videos. But here's the Pearland market update. Home sales trending down. To be expected with higher interest rates. Buyers are less willing to buy a house in this with the interest rates at 6.5% or wherever we are right now, somewhere in that range. And sellers with 3% or less mortgage on their current home are less likely to sell and give that up. So yeah, volume down as can be expected, but prices they're holding steady. Actually, year over year they're up. Quarter over quarter is down a little bit. We'll see what happens next quarter with that, see if that is a trend that continues. But as you can see, prices are not plummeting. In fact, they're up year over year. And then price per square foot. This is just resale homes. We're going to do new homes next. It's virtually unchanged quarter over quarter and up year over year. So yeah, the prices are holding steady. There's just less volume. Yeah, so that's where we are. Still a great place to be a seller. In fact, the months of inventory right now in that area is 2.2. Anything less than 6 is considered a seller's market. So 6 is considered balanced. So 2.2 months, still a great time to be a seller if you want to sell your home. So for new homes, volume dropped off a bit. Again, you could kind of expect that. I'm interested to see what happened in the third and second quarter of 2022, but I think these numbers would be way up here. I'm guessing that's when people sign their contracts a year before. So yeah, a lot of contracts signed at that time, and then it takes the builder some time to sell. Oh, I should point out too that this is just inventory homes, so it's not direct from the builder, building from the ground up. The building from the ground up homes, the builder doesn't disclose their sales prices, so we don't have that information. This is just inventory homes that the builder put on the MLS and started building. But it was definitely slow, so I still expect to see second and third quarter new homes to be quite a bit higher. Prices climbing still, even from a full year ago, prices are actually up. Yeah, that might surprise some people considering where the interest rates are now, but prices are still up. Price per square foot, though, it's steady year over year, but that's a pretty substantial drop quarter over quarter. We'll see if that's statistically significant next quarter. See how that looks. But yeah, that's the new home market and the resale market for Pearland, Iowa Colony, and Manvel. Lump them all together. Yeah, still a great time to be a seller. Prices are not coming down. Interest rates are high, but we have so many people moving to the area, and inventory is very tight. People just aren't listing their homes, and yeah, that's just the way it is. So yeah, still a good time to sell. Still, prices still holding steady. People just need to buy a house. They can't wait forever. Thanks for watching. Bye.